Hi, welcome to the Strayos Academy. My name is Jon Lewis and I'm a solutions engineer for Strayos. Today we're going to be talking about fragmentation and how to visualize that within the platform. Fragmentation is immensely important for all mining applications, whether you're looking to save money on crushing and screening for an aggregate business, or you're looking to reduce your particle size before feeding into your comminution circuit for a metal mine. Within Strayos, you'll want to navigate to the data set you're wanting to analyze. In this case, we're looking at a post-blast muckpile. You'll navigate to Fragmentation. The Strayos AI will actually detect multiple muckpiles, but since we're only going to analyze one, I've deleted the extraneous ones. We'll turn that muckpile on, and you'll be able to see the extents of your muckpile. So if we actually zoom in, we can change where the vertices are for the muckpile. This helps us to either enlarge or contract our actual boundaries. So as you can see here, if we zoom back out, we can turn back on the particle size color, and this will show you the distribution within your muckpile. So for example, blue is D1, green is D1 to D50, orange D50 to D80, and red is greater than D80. We enlarge the fragmentation graph, we'll talk more about what exactly D50 or D80 is. So if we go here, we can go to the D50 and we can see that what this means is 50% of my material is less than 23.6 inches and 50% of my material is greater than 23.6 inches. And that's applicable in the same mentality for D80 as well as D1. The graph itself is plotting percent passing versus fragment size, and we're showing the Kuzaran model, the Swebert curve, as well as the actual calculated. And down here is the histogram. If we navigate up and down the curves, we can see the different percent passings for individual rock sizes. On the left side, we can see a table of the sizes and the percent passing. And on the right, we can see the D1, D50, and D80, as well as the N and B. N and B are uniformity indexes and aren't necessarily applicable for most applications. They're generated in order to plug into additional equations. So if we navigate back to the main screen, we can go and print the fragmentation report. This will generate a PDF of all the high-level information we're looking for. So on the left, you have the muckpile with the legend. In the middle, you have the graph. And on the right, you have the tables. I hope this has clarified how to interpret fragmentation information as well as visualize it within Strayos. Thank you all for listening. If you want more information on the platform, please navigate to the strayos.com. The link is in the description. Please stay tuned for additional videos. Bye.